Well, pilot Flying J will not be prosecuted by the federal government for their part in scamming trucking companies out of fuel rebates. That agreement was announced today. Now, in it says that Pilot will pay out $92 million in fines and fully cooperate with the government as they continue to investigate. This agreement is considered to be neither an indictment or a finding of guilt. So the question is just why did the government decide not to prosecute? And joining us now to flesh all of this out is law professor Melanie Reid with Lincoln Memorial University. Melanie, thank you for coming in.
Thank you.
Let's just first start off. Several Pilot employees have already pleaded guilty to fraud charges. So why not prosecute the company?
Well, the issue there is the prosecutor always has to ask, can we charge and should we charge? So the first thing the prosecutor always looks at is the nature of the offense, the seriousness of the offense, and the pervasiveness of the wrongdoing. Then they have to ask, well, should we really charge? And so they're going to take a look at the company's remedial efforts. So if Pilot's been cooperating and made a timely disclosure and various employees have stepped down, then the prosecutor has to take that into account and look and see if that's of benefit to the public to continue in prosecuting the actual company.
You know, Melanie, we are hearing from a lot of our viewers who are saying that Pilot is simply getting off lightly with this decision. Do you think so?
Well, if you consider a $92 million fine light, but they are also contributing to restitution of the victims. So you have to kind of take that into consideration and look at the collateral consequences that it's going to have to the shareholders, to the public, to the customers, to pension holders, employees, and employees who are actually innocent. So you have to kind of take all that into consideration, and the collateral consequences of prosecuting a company can actually be devastating.
And we do have to ask, individuals can still be prosecuted and trucking companies can continue with their lawsuits, if I understand this right. Does this announcement, do you think, maybe help or hurt those cases that might still be out there?
Absolutely. They can, individuals in the company that worked on behalf of the corporation for the benefit of the corporation can still be held criminally liable, and trucking companies can still go forward and request restitution. So nothing in that sense has changed.
All right, Melanie, we appreciate your perspective tonight on this. Obviously a big decision. A lot of people here paying attention to. Melanie Reid, thank you so very much.
Thank you.